Let's go play outside.
Okay, Pit, let's go. Look, it's starting to rain. We'll get wet. Pit's pretending it's a sunny day. We can't fly kites inside, Pit.
I wish it was a sunny day.
Me too. What's Baby doing? Oh no, she fell. But she's okay.
We can't play outside until the sun comes back.
It's too wet and cold.
Enough rain!
Puppy wants to play.
No, we can't go outside. It's raining.
But he really wants to play fetch. What can we do, Daddy?
Ta-da!
We just need the right clothes. See? Puddles are fun. Ooh, a toy ship.
Now, I love playing in the rain!
Even Puppy likes the rain. Rainy days are great. Check out our new fort. It's made from cardboard boxes.
Penny, what is it?
Oh no! Hurricane! Run! We should get inside the house!
Our fortress will be safer.
But your fortress is made of cardboard.
I don't think we're safe here.
Oh, there you are! Quickly, get into the house!
That's Daddy's safety checklist. It tells us how to keep safe.
Will you help us get ready for the storm?
What is the first step?
We need to put tape on the windows. I made a snowflake. And Pip made a robot.
The windows have to be sealed diagonally with duct tape.
It makes the windows stronger.
Now what should we do?
Move everything away from the windows.
The couch is too heavy. Pig tooted. Thanks for helping, Daddy.
What is step 3?
Now we need a backup light source.
We can use this lamp.
We have enough flashlights. And don't forget about food.
See what you can find, Penny.
We want cake.
It's better to choose something that will not go bad for a long time.
How about bottled water and fruit? Storms are scary.
But you're safe with Daddy.
Hooray! You've handled the storm very well.
Let's play in the fort.
The storm blew it down.
You can't hide from a hurricane outside.
Thanks, Daddy. What a stormy night. The Pit and I are asleep in bed. Oh no! Thunder and lightning! Pit, wake up! Mommy and Daddy are here to help. The storm is scaring me, Mommy. It's so loud.
Don't be afraid of the storm. You are safe here.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Why are you counting?
With every number, the thunder gets farther.
Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look! The thunder goes far, far away!
It does seem further away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It worked!
Mwah.
I'm ready to go back to sleep. Night, Mommy and Daddy. Oh no! A monster! Hit! There's a monster in the room! Hit throws his pillow and knocks the monster over! Thanks for the teddy bear, Pit. With the curtains closed, we can't see the storm. And the nightlight fills the room with stars. Night, night, Pit. What a beautiful day. But there's a mean storm cloud coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It worked. It was just a dream. It's time to wake up. Yay! The storm's over! Look at the rainbow, Pit!
There's always a rainbow after the rain!
It was totally worth waiting for! Beach time fun! floor is lava. It's so far. How can we get there? What can I use? Aha! Ducky rubber ring will do. Wow! Here I go! I'm the champion! Huh? Lava bubbles? Weeble wobble! Whoa! Aha! Sun cream! This'll do nicely. No! That's someone's magazine! Clickety-clack!
Pete, help me!
Come on, Pit, do something! No, it's too windy. I don't want to be nipped. Oh no, crab's following. You can't get me. Oh no, crab's gonna get Pit. Come on, Pit, jump again. Quick, hold my hand. Crab can't reach us. How are we gonna reach the sea? What? Mom's flying? What's she got on her feet?
How do you walk on hot sand?
Your feet will not hurt if you wear flip-flops.
Wow, we need some too.
Oh.
Whee! Watch us fly! Splish, splash, sea time! Wait, baby! Careful! The sun is hot! You need something to protect your head.
Choose what you need.
The octopus? That's not right.
Try again.
The hat! That's the perfect choice. Careful! The sand is hot. You need something for your feet. Ice cream? That doesn't belong on your feet.
Try again.
Baby wants the skateboard. She's rolling away.
Wait! Stop!
Try again.
Flip-flops will keep your feet off the hot sand. Now where should baby swim? A shark! Don't swim there!
Try again!
area is safe for swimmers. Now pick a toy to play with. Seaweed's not a toy. Balls are great for the beach.
Now you know how to play safe on the beach.
And me and Bit can take a nap. Now what's Baby up to? She covered us in sand. Oh, Baby.
Penny and Carrot are mermaids.
We love playing in the water. Even if it's just in a pool.
Look, Pit has some snacks.
Girls, let's take a break!
Yes!
Carrot loves hot dogs and orange juice.
And so do I.
Penny, aren't you going to share?
No way! Hot dogs are my fave!
Now Penny is full. And she made a mess.
It's just some garbage.
No! Penny, don't ever throw trash in the pool!
Pit imagines he's a pirate.
And I'm a pretty mermaid! Do you want some ocean tea?
Penny, your island is stinky.
You get used to the smell. Here's some ocean tea.
It's made from fish and seawater. Yuck!
I think it's delicious.
Not everyone likes cheesy seaweed.
Pit! Pit, come with me.
Yay!
But Pit is my guest.
Carrot's island is much cleaner. And her tea tastes delicious.
Hey, I'm a better host. Being messy isn't good. Let's clean it.
That's a good idea, Penny. Even Carrot will help.
We did it! It's nicer to be clean and tidy.
Let's go swimming!
Have fun, kids.
We've gone camping in the woods.
Oh.
Baby is outside the tent playing with her ball. Oops, her ball rolled into the woods. Where could it be? It's a monster! Look, Daddy, there's a monster in the woods! It's just a squirrel in a tree. Pit is picking up firewood for later. Is something in the bushes behind him? There is something in the bushes.
There are monsters!
Daddy knows better.
These are fireflies.
Yum! Now we're roasting marshmallows. But I burnt mine. Phew! There are more marshmallows by the tent. Oh no! Is that a monster? The monster is coming! Oh, it's a deer.
Monsters don't exist.
Time to sleep.
There's a monster outside the tent! And it's coming inside! It's just Daddy!
We thought you were a monster! Monsters only exist in fairy tales.
They don't exist in real life.
They're a free, brave avocado.
What is the sun up to? This heat is making me tired. And Pit, too. Daddy, hurry! We don't feel good. Can you help us?
Aha! Drink some water.
We feel better already.
It'll save you from overheating.
Now we can play some more. Now the sun is really angry. Daddy's hat will stop the sun. Don't forget about us, Daddy. The hat saved us.
Hats save you from a sunstroke.
The sun isn't done yet. It's too hot to play now. But some cool shade will help.
Stay in the shade so you don't overheat.
Our shade is gone. We need to find some more. We have nowhere else to hide. Maybe it's time to go inside.
It is dangerous to play outdoors when the temperature is high.
It is safer inside the house.
You can play at home.
Thanks, Daddy.
Ah, such wonderful weather.
It's a great day for a picnic.
Here we go.
There's juice and sandwiches for everyone.
Look, a butterfly.
Don't follow it, Penny.
But I want to catch it.
You ran too far.
Huh? Where am I? I think I'm lost.
Pit, Penny's gone.
Huh? Where's Patty? Mommy! Daddy! Patty's lost! Oh no! We must find her! Penny!
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 It'll be okay, Penny.
Really? Ouch! Who threw that?
It was a squirrel.
Hey! Bad squirrel! But he gave me an idea.
It's not safe up there, Penny.
Huh? I'm too high! Help!
It's Officer Pumpkin.
Huh? Oh, let me help you.
You must be more careful, Penny.
Don't climb on the trees too high, girl.
It's dangerous.
Okay.
And don't go to the forest alone. You can get lost. Now, let's find your parents. Hey! Hey!
Penny!
Penny!
Penny! Huh? Mom! Dad! Look at that!
Will they ever find me?
Of course they will.
Oh!
The sandwich you dropped is a clue.
Hey!
Huh?
Penny! Mommy? You found me!
Hooray! Penny, don't go to the forest alone. Ever.
Thank you, sir.
Let's get back to the picnic!
Now everyone is safe and sound.
A butterfly!
Not again, Penny.
Penny, don't go to the forest alone.
Okay, Mommy.
Let's catch some butterflies.
I love that!
Have fun, everyone.
What's going on, Mommy?
Ah,
She wants us to take a bath. But the water is too hot.
oh.
It's recess time at school.
Oh.
Miss Apple thinks we're getting stinky. Pit doesn't want to share with Perry. And Perry thinks Pit smells.
Yay!
I want to play with Cherry. give the doll a bath. No way. Everyone thinks we smell bad. Miss Apple thinks we should wash in the pool. No, the water is too cold.
Oh.
Look how dirty we are, Pit. Pit, tell Mommy.
Mom, we need to bathe. Oh.
Mommy adds bubble bath. And a rubber ducky.
It's ready.
Look at all the bubbles.
The water isn't hot.
In we go. Thanks, Mommy.